Hey everybody, it's Jen from Jen's Rack, and I'm here again with another item for the holiday gift guide. This one is for the guys, so especially if you know a foodie that's a guy, this is an awesome box, and he's sure to love it. So just to get it out there, this was sent to me for the purpose of this review, but you're going to love what you see. It's a really, really impressive box. So basically, here's what we do. We open the mail, we open this box, and boom, look at this cool crate, and it is stuffed with 6 different full-sized items from artisans across the United States, and it's all food related. So Mantry is the modern man's pantry, which I think is really kind of cool because it's just such a neat, unique concept. I've never heard of anything like it. So basically when you open your box, you're going to get a little guide right here, a little booklet, and it tells you everything that you got in the box, how you can use it, how you can incorporate them together. And then they also give you this little map right here, and you can see where in the United States that everything is from. So I think that is also really cool. So I'm going to quickly go over the things that I got in my box this month. Obviously, when I got them, they were wrapped in bubble wrap and things like that. It came very safe to me, but I took the bubble wrap and everything off so that I could do this for you. So the first thing I got was some chocolate. And what I love about this is each of these have packaging that, like I said, they're individual artisans. They're small companies. They're not mass-produced. And so they put a lot of care into the packaging for their products. So you're going to see a lot of the story about the company. You're going to find out a lot of information, how to use it, and that kind of thing. So this is so delicious. And it is cinnamon chili chocolate. Tells you how to make Mexican hot chocolate in here. And this one comes from Nashville, Tennessee. We've also got a verde sauce right here, and this one is from Oregon, I believe. Yes, and it's just salsa, and you can use it for marinating, barbecue, or whatever, and it looks really good. I'm a sauce kind of girl. Right here we have a Texas grapefruit shrub right here, which I'm not going to lie, I had to look it up to see what it was. But it's a mixture of coconut vinegar, sugar, and grapefruit, and some natural flavors. And you can mix it up and put it with alcohol, or you can make like a simple soda with it, which I think is another really neat idea. We also have an ancho chili rub right here. I mean a chicken rub. I'm sorry, I don't know why I said chili like a crazy lady. But anyway, well, it does have chili in it. Ancho chilies. Okay, so I'm not too crazy. Anyway, this is really cool right here. And again, it has all these neat little instructions and ideas here on the back, which you just don't find with mass-produced products. So you usually get it and you're like, what am I supposed to do with this? But not with these. This is awesome. And then right here, oh, so good. From California, we have some chili lime in-shell pistachios. Love pistachios. And then finally, we have some Texas Spanish-style chorizo. Yummy. And this is fully cooked, doesn't need to be refrigerated. This really is kind of like my husband's dream. Any kind of like pre-cooked meat product that he can like eat at his desk, even if it makes him look like an animal. He loves it. So anyway, like I said, this is from Mantry.com. The subscriptions are 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. They're $75 per month, which shipping is included if you're in the United States. If you are in Canada, it's an extra $25 a month for that. And it would make an awesome gift for any guy in your life, especially if they're a foodie and they like unique products and quirky things that they may not have found on their own. And I highly recommend it. So it would be awesome. It would make a great gift, especially better than the tie that they don't actually ever wear or the gift card to a store that they don't really like. This is a really unique present. So anyway, I had to share it with you. Love it. So I'll talk to you guys later. I've got more fun stuff in store for this holiday season. See you soon.